So here's the how to cash out from Jumia. And before I go off and show you all the process, let me show you my earning from some of these months ago. Okay, so if you come here, this is the month that I make 50 CDs from Jumia within this period. That's what, 15th to 31st of July. And if I go up here, I have other stars here. So here, this is 23 CDs, and this is 104 cities that I made from Jumia, and I'm going to show you how you too can make it out and start cashing out straight into your mobile money wallet. If you come to Jumia, we all know that Jumia is a platform that have an e-commerce and a drop shipping platform that provide or have a lot of product from grocery to household product and a lot of product out here. And they also have an affiliate program for people who want to make an extra income on Jumia app. When you talk of affiliate marketing, it's a form of digital marketing whereby you promote products, and in case someone buy the product, then you make a commission from it. So it's a commission based product. So anytime you promote and a person or interested person buy from your product or the link that you use to promote it, then you make a commission from it. And Jumia also have such affiliate program on their platform, but a lot of Ghanaians and a lot of people don't know that Jumia have this program out there. I'm going to show you how you can get it out. So first off, make sure if you're using your phone, you download the Jumia app. If you are on the web, like you use the web version, go to Jumia, create an account. So this is my account dashboard. If you look out here, I've logged into my account. So in case I want to log out, I'll just log out to my account. So I've logged into my account. And if you open the app or the platform like this, you will see this stuff here. And if you come here, we have this option here on the web version. You see we have this stuff here. Okay, that's another page here. So we have this stuff, and this one we have the trending now, and you see how make extra cash. So go in and hit on that make extra cash here. Okay, so if you hit on the make extra cash, it will ask you to create an account. So if you look at here, it says join JForce. Okay, so in case I hit on this one, it will ask me to create an account, and creating an account, because I've already had an account, it just link me or take me straight to my account. Okay, so after creating your account and signing up to your account and stuff, you will see this here. So this will be your dashboard here, where you see your sales, you see your commission, you see your bonus and your orders and other stuff that you see right here. Okay, so these are my past orders that I did, and these are my commission and other stuff that I have right here. Okay, so all these tasks have been completed. Okay, and after here you come here, we have the members or the team here that you can recruit people and you make money from it. So you just register people into the Jumia GeForce account, and then you make a commission. So I'll put my link in the description. You can use it, follow it up and create your account. Okay, and then after you have created your account and done with the account creation, what you are going to do right here, or the process for you to make money from it, is here. So come to the app or the platform, that the Jumia platform. They have so many bunch of products, but make sure you will not pick a product from flash sales. Okay, if you look at it, we have flash sales. Don't pick any product from this flash sales. Scroll down and find any product that you are interested in and your customers also are interested in it. Okay, so they have so many products. Example, if you like a product like this, like tools like this, you just come in and click on it. So if you click on it, you see the tools here, then you add the tools into your cart right here. So after adding the tool, then you go out here and download or save the image of this tools. Okay, so I will save the image here. So after saving the image, I've added this one to my cart here. If I come to cart, that means I can check out the cart. I have two products here. Okay, so I can check out the cart. That means I'm not buying the product right here. Okay, so for this one, after you've done, then and you have your image for this one. So I have my image here. I'll just come to my WhatsApp status, either your WhatsApp, your TikTok account. Then you come in and post your product out here. And then the next thing is look at the price of the product. What is the price of the product? So this one, the price is 130 cedis. So you go here, then you just put the product out here. Don't add the price of the product, just put the product here. If someone is interested in the product, either on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, or on your TikTok account, they will just message you or text you for the price of the product and ask you for delivery and stuff. So after they have tested you, then you give them the price. Don't add anything to the price, just give them the total price that you have here. Then if they are interested in, you tell them that this product that I'm here, you receive the product before you pay for it. And this product, we have a company that is bringing the product to you. That's Jumia. They will deliver the product to your doorstep. After you picking the product, then you pay for the product. You give the person the price of this one, then tell the person that the delivery fee is not included. Okay, so the delivery fee is not included with the actual price that you are giving to them. So for the person, if the person is interested in it and you come here to your card, you want to cash out or buy the product for the person, you come in and check it out here. So if you check it out, you see the customer address. That's my address right here, and the delivery details. That's the details that I'm going to use for this one. So for me, I will change the delivery location. Okay, so that is where the person is going to receive the product. Okay, so let's say the person is staying in Adenta, for instance, or Medina. I'll go to Greater Accra, then check for a location that's near the person. Okay, so let me say I want East Legon, or in case they have a location in Medina, I will just pick the Medina section here. So for Medina, I will just select that one, then select the pickup that one as pickup station. That means that is where the person may be what receiving the product, or that is the pickup station near or close to the person. So I'm going to deliver this product to the person at that area. So after that, then I will check here. You see the delivery fee is here. So the delivery fee is 32 cedis. Then the total amount is here. So all that you're going to do is just tell the person this product that I'm delivering to you or I'm selling to you, this is the total amount that you're going to pay. The actual amount is this one, and the total amount is this one plus the delivery fee. So this is the delivery fee. Then you give the delivery fee to the person, or the total amount that the person is going to pay. Then you give the total amount to the person. And if they deliver the product to the person at the exact time, I know it takes about 1 to 2 weeks for every product that you order on Jumia for you to receive your product. Depends on your location. Okay, so you are going to want to deliver the product, then you hit on confirm order. So after hitting on confirm order, that means you are placing an order. Okay, so you see here you say what, thank you for placing an order. Okay, so I can go in and see my product details and other stuff. So that means they are going to deliver the product for me. Okay, so after done with all the stuff, that means the person can go out there and pick up the product. So after they have picking up the product right here, then all that you are going to do is what, alert Jumia that the product that you ordered have been, or you have received the product. Okay, so they will give you a message that your product have been picked out and stuff. So you are not going to receive any money. All that you are going to do is to just promote the product. In case they buy the product, then Jumia is going to credit you for any product that what you purchase or purchase through your name on the Jumia platform. Okay, so after then they will credit you or give you your commission. So after you giving your commission, then they will send the money to your mobile wallet. Okay, so if you look at here, they have level. Okay, in case you first join, sometimes you may not receive anything because they look at your level. We have so many levels. If you are on any of these level, if you are on probation, that means you may not receive. But if you keep on order product or buying product from them, then they will give you access to start earning. So this is the easier way that you can start earning from Jumia. Okay, so there's no need for you to own product before you can make money from it. you can use the Jumia app, which is a popular Jumia app here, and start making sales. That's why I first show you my commission that I've made so that you too can start cashing out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for our next content. See you in the next video.